Hello, welcome to Naija Donors, and this is Okoye Philip. I'm about to take you on a guide on how to access your user dashboard on Naija Donors. So let's get straight to it. You click on your login. You try to log into your account first of all. Okay, you enter your details correctly and sign in. So once you are in, you see an icon, an emoji, a user icon up here, and you'll see a text saying dashboards. Click on it. This takes you to your user dashboard, and let me give you a quick explanation of what you see here. This is statistic boxes. This here gives you an information of how many donations you've received, how much in value of donations you have received, how many campaigns you have raised, and this is a statistic icons. These are statistics icons that are going to move irrespective of how your donations and your fundings are received. This place it lists down your donations received, and here it lists down your campaigns. You can as well go to your campaign section where you get to edit and create, where you get to edit your campaigns and make changes to them. You go down to your donors where you get to see your donors, and you go down to your withdrawals where you get to withdraw from your account. So in withdrawing, all you need to do is click on the configure icon here. When you click on it, there is an option either to withdraw using PayPal or using bank details, which is our most preferred section. So you enter your account details correctly in this form. First of all, the bank name. For example, you're saying GT Bank, Guarantee Trust Bank, whichever way it's well understood, because we go through manual review in order to process payments, so there can't be an actual mistake. You enter your GT Bank, you enter your account number, secondly, then your account name. So just in this form, then you click on submit. So this now sets up your account withdrawal. To bank. So it's set. So this is a place where you can be able to also withdraw when your campaigns or your donations are listed. You're able to request for a withdrawal for your money.